So the coin I have created earlier, this was this one. It's created. Here you can see this. So it has been dumped totally, and here you can see the proofs. So yeah, not great experience. Then again, I have invested in this two token, but this all was dumped. So then this one also. Okay, it's loading. I guess my internet is slow. So yeah, then let's go to another token. This one. Let's see if it loads. This one is also totally dumped. So not a great experience. But yeah, you guys can try out Pump.Fun. I'm just a beginner, so yeah, it could happen. I guess I should choose advance and filter out by here. What the heck? Mm, advance and filter. Where is filter? Okay, here it is. Here I can change stuff, so yeah. You guys can do as per you want, but yeah, that's it and bye.